Hey you guys, we're gonna get right into the video. As you can see by the title, this is another Steve Madden unboxing. And like I said in my last video, I think I said it, that I ordered the baby blue pair in the tennis shoes and also the handbag, and it just arrived. Y'all, it was 2 months since I posted that last video. The shipping is pretty long because they are like pre-order, but they do tell you this information before you place your order. So the dates that they provided to me when I pre-ordered are the correct dates that it delivered. So as of now, the orders are coming on time, so that is a plus. Get my scissors. Like I said, I ordered the baby blue pair and the tennis shoes, and I'm so excited that they finally came because my birthday is next month and I'm going to Vegas and I want to wear the blue shoes with my handbag. It's going to be so cute. And if you guys want to see a pack with me, like for my Vegas trip, please let me know and I'll do that for you guys. Also, I want to just take time to say thank you guys so much for continuing to support my channel. The giveaway is still open, and I will be announcing, I'll be announcing the winner on the 18th, next Tuesday. So yeah, so you still have time to enter the giveaway. I did get a 6.5 again. But I do wish that I would have ordered a 7 this time, but I ordered too fast. So if I do decide to get another pair, they will be a 7. So make sure none of my information is on here, but same information from last time. The baby blue max 6.5. And the total was $79.16. So it was $79.16 for these. I think I used a coupon. So yeah, I think I used a coupon for these, but it's all good. These are cute. I did think they were much lighter. Like, I thought they were going to be much lighter in person versus like the picture. Let me try to lighten up for you guys. Hope that's light enough. But these are the baby blue. They are very cute. Very, very cute. The only thing is, like, in person, they seem a little, just a little darker. I can't really explain it, but they are baby blue. But I just thought they would be a lighter blue, if that makes sense. But they are so cute. I really do love them. These are so cute. And I'm going to try to get some more light so that you guys can see them better. And then I'm going to open this handbag to make sure they're the same color. So, got the bling on there in the front. Have the bling on the side. The foam thickness that makes it comfortable to walk in. This is the bottom, and this is how it looks. And I really love the shoe. It's really cute. This is the color, and let me try it on for you guys. Okay, sorry about my lighting. So here are the shoes on. They'll be over here or over there. They are very cute. Like I said, I do wish that I would have got a 7 this time. But what ended up happening is I just ordered them too fast, and I thought that the 6.5 was okay for me, but I really think I need a 7 because my foot is like right up there at the top. So, but they're still good. I just can't walk in them too long because my feet will start hurting. My big toe will start hurting after a while. So yeah, they do. I forgot to mention last time that they do come with some extra bedazzle in case you lose any. So it is at the top of your box. Let's get to this handbag. I've been waiting for this handbag for the longest. It took forever to get here. and it's huge. Oh my God. This is adorable. Like, so freaking, oh my God, look at that. That is so cute. Like, this is going to be great for babies. Like, come on now. Come on. Like, and it matches my shoes. Let's look at them one more time. They match. Like, they match. Like, they are so cute. So cute. This is, I love this. This is the front of it. Just, oh, look at that, but just all that action going on there. Then this is the top. And this is the overall of it. Then here's the back. And then it has the chain. And it's kind of locked up, so I'm going to take this off. And then this is like the, I guess, not really a phone, but you could put like your cards there or something like that. So it has the chains. I really like this purse. It's really cute. And it's huge. Like, you can put a lot of stuff in here. You can wear it like this. Like, this is really cute. I think I like it this way. And it has Steve Madden at the bottom. So I think what I'm gonna do is, if you would like to see, I think I'm gonna do like a what's in my bag, and I'll do this bag and show you guys what I put in my fanny pack. Okay. So that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for all the support.